What if I told you that setting aside just $7,000 a year could grow into over $1 million, and you'd never owe a penny in taxes on it? That's not hype. It's math. And here's the kicker. You don't need 40 years to see results. We maxed out our Roth IRAs for just 10 years, and the outcome shocked us. The balance grew bigger than expected, but the real game changer was the tax flexibility it gave us. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happened after a decade of Roth IRA contributions, how the math works, and how you can copy the strategy in 2025, even if your income is above the limit. Stick around because once you understand this, you'll never look at retirement accounts the same way again. Most people think $7,000 a year is too small to matter. They're dead wrong. Why Roth IRAs work in 2025? Let's start simple. What makes the Roth IRA different? You contribute after-tax dollars, money you've already paid taxes on. That money grows tax-free. And when you withdraw it in retirement, the contributions and all the growth come out tax-free. That's 3 tax wins in one account. Compare that to a traditional IRA or 401k, where you kick the tax can down the road. With Roth, you control your tax future. For 2025, the limit is $7,000 per person, or $8,000 if you're 50 plus. Income limits start phasing out around $150,000 single or $236,000 for couples. But if you make too much, don't worry. The backdoor Roth strategy keeps the door open. Roth money is invisible on your tax return, and invisible money is powerful. The 10-year contribution timeline. Here's what we did. We maxed our Roth IRAs every single year for a decade. Sometimes we automated monthly. One year we scraped together contributions right before the deadline. The result? Consistency beat cleverness. We invested in simple, low-cost index funds. No stock picking, no timing the market, just relentless, boring consistency. Case study. If you had started in 2015 and put in $7,000 each year until 2025, you'd have contributed $7,000. Depending on returns, that could be $95,000 to $110,000 today. And that's just 10 years. Leave it to compound to age 60, and it's $500,000 plus. 10 years of discipline can buy you decades of freedom. The tax math that changes everything. Here's where it gets fun. Imagine you're retired with $60,000 in living expenses. Scenario 1. You pull it all from pre-tax accounts. That's $60,000 of taxable income and thousands in taxes. Scenario 2. You pull it all from Roth. That's $60,000 tax-free. Scenario 3. You split it. $30,000 from pre-tax, $30,000 from Roth. In 2025 brackets, your tax bill could be under $100. That's not a loophole, that's strategy. And it gets better. By keeping your taxable income low, you can also harvest long-term capital gains in a taxable account at 0% federal tax. Without Roth, you'd never have that flexibility. Roth isn't just about tax-free money. It's about controlling the tax code instead of letting it control you. Over the income limit? Backdoor Roth. So what if you earn too much to contribute directly? Enter the backdoor Roth IRA. It's a simple 3-step workflow. 1. Contribute to a traditional IRA, non-deductible. 2. Convert it to a Roth IRA. 3. File IRS. Form 8606 to document it. Done. You're in. But here's the trap. The pro rata rule. If you have pre-tax IRA money lying around, the IRS blends it all together. That can make your conversion mostly taxable. Example, $95,000 pre-tax IRA plus $5,000 after tax. Convert $5,000? Only 5% tax-free, 95% taxable. The fix? Roll pre-tax IRA funds into a 401k first, then do your backdoor Roth cleanly. Do it sloppy, you'll owe taxes. Do it clean, you'll owe zero. Withdrawal rules people misunderstand. Here's where people get burned. Roth IRAs have 3 buckets. Contributions, always tax and penalty-free to withdraw. Conversions, need to sit for 5 years before penalty-free withdrawal. Earnings, tax and penalty-free only after age 59 and 1/2 in 5 years. Translation, label your dollars. Know which bucket they're in. Contributions are liquid anytime. But the real win is leaving them untouched to compound. Yes, Roth gives you access, but the real power comes from restraint. The copy-able playbook. Here's the 3-tier system you can copy. Tier 1. Direct Roth. If eligible, automate monthly. $583 per month gets you to $7,000 per year. Tier 2. Backdoor. Roth. If income is too high, clean up pre-tax IRAs and use the backdoor process. Document everything. Tier 3. Build 3 buckets. Roth, pre-tax, and taxable. Use them strategically each year to minimize taxes. The goal isn't the biggest Roth, it's the lowest lifetime tax bill. What we'd change after 10 years. Looking back, here's what we'd fix. 1. Automate sooner. Manual transfers equals missed contributions. 2. Document better. Screenshots, PDFs, notes. So nothing gets lost. Contribution, conversion, earnings. Future, you will thank present you. Case study. If you contribute $7,000 per year for 10 years starting at 25, stop and let it ride at 7%. You'll have over $500,000 by 60 and close to $750,000 by 65. At 8 to 9%, that's over $1 million. 10 years of effort. A lifetime of freedom. Time is the multiplier. The sooner you start, the less you have to do later. Consistency beats timing. Documentation beats memory. Optionality beats one-size-fits-all advice. We didn't outsmart the market. We out-disciplined ourselves. And the result is a tax-free lever we can pull for the rest of our lives. If you want strategies like this, clear, tested, and copyable, subscribe now. And when you're ready, watch this video next. How Roth, pre-tax, and taxable accounts work together to create a near-zero tax retirement. Because the real power isn't just growing your money, it's keeping it.